Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your video from the YouTube through one click. Let's get started. Guys, there are two different ways to delete your video from YouTube. In this video I'm gonna explain the two different ways that can actually helping you to delete your video from YouTube. Let's get started. First method, you need to open your YouTube channel, and I'm gonna open it, and simply you can log in. Make sure your YouTube channel login here on YouTube on your profile option, and then you can simply click on your channel and open it. I'm gonna open it, and simply you can click here on manage videos, and you can select the video which you want to delete. Let's suppose I'm gonna delete this video. Simply you can click on three dot, and then you can simply click on delete. Click on delete this video, and this video has been permanently deleted from YouTube. Let's go to another way. The second method is you need to open your play store application and search studio white studio, and install the YouTube official application. Install it. I'm gonna already install, so I'm gonna click on open, and I'm gonna open it. Go, and I'm gonna open it, and you can log in your channel, and you can make sure you can click here and you can log in your channel, and then you can simply select the video which you want to delete. So let's suppose there is short which I want to delete. Simply you can click on it, three dots, and again you can click on delete, and you can click on delete from YouTube, and your video has been successfully deleted from YouTube. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another video. Thank